This washing machine lid will not open all the way because it's cracked. Won't even stay open. And the crack is right here on that hinge. He's going to replace these. What kind of nuts are these?
These are T15 screws.
Okay, he's taken out the screws and now he's just going to pull it right up. And these hinges we won't take out. We'll just put the new lid right on top of it.
See the holes in it?
The holes are right. I can't get it. Okay. But anyways, he's going to sit it right on top.
Can you get me? Is that in the hole? Hang on, I gotta look myself.
He's going to sit this new lid right onto it. It's not on this screw here. Right in that hole. And they're going to line up perfectly. Wait, this one's coming in. Okay.
That one's in?
Yeah.
Let's see. Plenty of them.
This one's sliding out. Hold on. And it's this type of screw head.
Maybe I'll get this started.
And it's a T15
T15
bit. Is that the right
screw
one?
and bit.
And he's going to just screw that screw right in those holes. There's 2 holes on each side with his screwdriver. Is that magnetic? Yeah. You just have to line up the
Holes to the hinges.
And it fits perfectly in there. Now he's just going to screw back the bolts or the screws.
That's it.
Okay, let's see if it opens and closes.
See, and it has the
Slow release. You want to open it again?
Yeah.
And then let it close.
Yeah, see.
And now it should work right. This is a Whirlpool Cabrio.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take all this off.
And he's just going to take everything off. This took maybe 10 minutes total to install this new washing machine lid. We ordered the lid from genuinereplacementparts.com just off the internet, and it arrived within just a couple of days. So that's where we ordered it from.